Hello and welcome back. There's a Clio, not a 944 for a change, or an MR2. We are doing something very special today. This is a genuine barn find Clio 182, who our friend Brad, MR2 Sensei, owns. Brad is going to tell us a little bit about how he got this car.
This is my 2004 Renault Clio 182. I managed to acquire this from a friend from work who is very fortunate to have a barn full of old cars. This one's been sitting since 2018. It is a 182 full fat, so it's got both cup packs, spoiler, the cup wheels and so on and so forth. It isn't a genuine cup. It's done 98,000 miles and it's a pretty tidy little car, but it's in need of a really good scrub and a few mechanical things which we're getting around to. Other than that, it's a really nice little project, and I think it's going to come up really nice.
Bring tool. Genuine barn find dust. What are you going to be doing?
I'm masking up the headlights on my new whip.
On yours?
Yeah. I mean, I'm not buying it, but I will.
Is that
drive
confirmation that you are now?
It's like the only French car I like. One of 4, probably. Total.
Well,
it's cool. I've moved it. I've moved it over the road once. That's all I've done so far.
I think I've moved it more than you.
You have.
Yeah.
You have.
But the headlights are the next thing on the job card because they are rough. So hopefully they'll come up nice and we don't ruin them further. Cool, so headlights are now polished, sanded, looking relatively new-ish, much better than they were before. Next stage is pre-wash with snow foam, rinsing it down, shampoo, rinsing off, then a polish, and then we'll start on the interior. Okay, pre-rinse done, shampoo done, clay bar done. We've just finished washing the engine. Now we're going to be drying up all of the horrible watermarks and we're going to be trying to do a cut and polish on this now. So all in all, it's going really well, I think. So we'll see how the polish goes.
Right, we're getting rid of all this soot that's been stuck onto random bits of car. See what horrors it holds behind.
Another Renault Sport badge.
Oh, that's French. Somebody really wanted this on here. Oh, there we go. Oh, it was covering scratches. Well, we'll be respraying that then. Why not just respray it?
Is it a disrespected Clio?
It's a disrespected Clio.
Oh god. Hey. And now I'm ready to travel. Can you imagine walking around the high street just with this like in your coat pocket because you don't want anyone to nick it?
But don't forget, if you don't want to reach a whole 30 centimetres to the stereo, you can use your remote.
Right, we've moved on to the interior now. As the exterior is glazed and Liam's playing with pedals.
I'm doing some metal polish on everything that is stainless steel. So yeah, I've done some pipe work in the engine bay, I've done the exhaust tips, and now I'm doing some pedals because they're metal. So I thought, well, shine them up a bit, make them look a bit fresher.
Nice.
So
I might put metal pedals in the MR2 still.
I think it look good.
Yeah.
I think it look good. So basically all we've got left now is interior, and then we've got to ceramic coat the outside, so it's another wash, dry off, quick detailer, then it's done. Pretty
The
good.
interior has a few bits that are quite kind of difficult for us to sort. Like the steering wheel is knackered here,
Rough.
and we might fix that. I think we have a new gear stick to put on. Tiny little thing.
Yeah, it's really cool. I really like it. So what do you think?
Guys, this has come up absolutely fantastic. There's not a swirl in the paint. We've got ceramic coating on. Absolutely over the moon with it. In fact, it's almost like a brand new car. Yeah, really impressed. Guys have done a great job. Really appreciate it. And it's it's looking like a brand new car, and get back on the road soon. And it'll be for sale at some point.
Brad's bangers. Brad's bangers.
Yeah, I can't appreciate it enough, guys. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
It's been fantastic.